Hi everyone! So welcome back to Teacher Zai. For today's episode, tuturuan ko kayo on how you are going to play the cartoon story maker in your mobile phone. So to start with, okay, so let's say for example, meron ka nang nagawang cartoon story file. The next thing to do is for you to save. So nasan ba yung save as again? Andito po sa upper left. So, ang maganda po, gagawa kayo ng sarili nyong folder. So, ang folder name po is cartoon. Then, my file name is, let's say, cartoon na lang din. So, save. Okay? So, please be reminded na yung aking cellphone is nakakonect na rin dito sa aking laptop. So, the next thing to do is to transfer yung ginawa kong cartoon story maker file sa aking cellphone. Okay? So, kung paano yun, nagkabit na ako ng cable. Okay, so i-transfer na natin yung sinave nating cartoon story maker file sa cellphone ko. So, just open the folder. Ayan, tapos hanapin natin ito. Meron tayong folder na cartoon. So, i-right click lang, then copy. Next, punta po tayo dun sa ating cellphone na folder. So, ito yung internal storage ko. Diyan ko na lang i-paste sa labas. Okay? So, right-click, then paste. Yan. So, ngayon, nandyan na sa cellphone ko yung cartoon folder. Ayan, so yung first thing na gagawin natin is to check kung nasa loob na ba ng cellphone natin yung cartoon story maker na ginawa natin. So to do that, let's go to File Manager. Ayan, so ako kasi sinave ko yon dito lang sa labas ng internal storage ko. So the name is cartoon. Ayan, lagpas na. So ayan, so meron na. So we have the data. And we also have the cartoon.html. So, pag inopen nyo yung data na andoon si flash file. So, si SWF, siya si flash file. So, the next thing to do is mag-download ngayon tayo ng flash player for mobile. So, ayan. Punta tayo kay Play Store. Then, yung na-search ko kasi na pwede sa aking cellphone na flash player is itong WebGenie SWF. As you can see, maraming flash player na available kay Google Play Store. But, ito lang, yung color black lang na WebGenie ang match sa aking cellphone. So, I'm using P8 Lite Huawei at ang Android niya, ang Android version niya is Marshmallow. Okay? So, no need for you to open that. Let's go directly to our file. So, going back, ito yung file ko kanina. So, ang i-open ko is yung .html file. So, ayan. So, as you can see, meron yung 4 options. HTML Viewer, WPS Office, Firefox, tsaka yung ating bagong download na WebGenie SWF Player. So, click ko lang yan. So, habang nag-load, please do subscribe to my channel. Palike na rin po, pa-comment kung ito ba yung nakatulong sa inyo or kung meron pa kayong mas mai-recommend pang ibang player. So, ayan, lumabas na. Okay? So, kung medyo nalilitan kayo, pwede nyo namang i-enlarge, i-swipe nyo lang para kayo nag-swipe ng picture or pwede rin naman na i-slant nyo. Okay? So, ayan. So, thank you. So, sana nakatulong ito. If you still have more question or kung meron kayong gustong tutorial na gagawin ko, ayan. So, paki-comment na lang po. So, ayan. Lumabas ang cellphone ko. Ito na rin siya.